Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Jamaica. Water is pretty beautiful. Well, blessed love, guys. Blessed love. I'm here again once more at Hellshire Beach. You know, the wonderful Hellshire Beach. You know, beautiful. You can see the ocean is very beautiful, blue and pretty today. You know, so I'm here once more, hope and praying that we can catch Daddy Irie. You know, because we've been here the last couple of times before I went to Trinidad and I never see him. So apparently I've been trying to ring his phone. There was no contact getting through his mobile phone. So hopefully, you know, this time we can go and we can see him. So I can give him this donation that I got for him, you know, waiting for the longest while. So hopefully he's at home, you know, but meanwhile I'm here passing through to go and see where Daddy Irie is, guys. So please put the thumbs up, like before watching when you're here at Keen Life in Jamaica. You know, we thank you so much. As you can see, whoa, beautiful Hellshire Beach, as you can see. Beautiful as you can see. Wow. Danger, strong current. Water is so pretty. Hey. So as you can see, wonderful it is, beautiful. But my mission is to go and see Daddy Irie, not to swim today, even though it's so tempting to just take off my clothes and go swim. And I know it's so tempting to you like that's watching. Say, wow, I want to come to Jamaica now to swim, you know, looking at the beauty of the ocean. You know, it's so beautiful, blue and pretty. You know, very blue and very pretty. You know it goes. Passing through the general.
Hold on, boss. Here we go. Can I come right? Come back forward.
All is well.
That is well.
Cool, man.
They
Big up.
yesterday until we not talk to the Buddha looking.
You can't stop.
Yeah, we are going international now, man.
What do you mean?
We serve a ticket, everything. Man.
Yeah?
Everything, yeah. Food and everything.
Congratulations, man.
Everything, man.
Right back.
Congratulations, brother.
Yeah, man, me tell them baseline up and just about them, man. You say already? Come back.
How come, General? Bananas. We say congratulations, man, on your international permit.
Yeah, man, I'm a thing, man.
So see them now, so overseas again. Overseas, it. So proud of you, man. You see?
Everything, man.
Official here.
100%.
Welcome to Kobe's. You know, say it's official when you come here. Everything is official. See there? Official when you come here, certified. You know, everything goes. Yes. Jeez. Congratulations, my general, man. Yes, man.
Yeah.
Much love, man. So we like that, you know?
We do everything in the car when I business, you know. Time people want to know everything good, you know.
Alright, so them can say it's official, you know? No joke.
No joke, official.
Because them they are pass through, go check daddy man to see if he's about.
You can go link him and come back, you know.
Yeah, man.
I will go and have some people if you do some good.
Yeah, so I'm going to line up something now. See there? As usual. As usual. Boot it up. Alright, see them general. And see there. Show them what go on the fire.
Steam fish, huh?
Steam, snapper and parrot. One steam already. That is it, guys. Fire nice, lagwood.
Yeah, and
Yes, the lagwood there.
Kasha, you know?
The great name?
Kasha, Lagwood and Kasha.
Lagwood and Kasha.
Yeah.
You know, this is what give the food the flavor. When you come here at Hellshire, at Kobe's,
Yeah.
you get your food well flavored and nice. See there, well steamed and ready.
Ready to serve.
Ready to serve. Yeah. Someone's gonna smile and real nice today. Getting that box with everything well set.
It's wonderful.
International.
See the international the thing gone, man. You know the thing goes well international.
Fully.
Fully. Man. Show me saying get him ID official, you know. Well certified here at Kobe's. So you know whenever them come at Kobe's, everything is official, well certified. It's no joke. That is it, man. Well, you know. Go pass through, man. Look on the front. Yeah. So let's show you the front, guys. Active. Come here, you relax. Chill out. Beach view and everything. Hey. All active. Hello. Bye bye. Yeah. Alright, here. Yeah, man. Yes. Alright. Fresh.
Steam.
Well fresh.
See them look on them fresh. We don't sell nothing stale. Everything fresh all the while, you know. That's how we do our seafood. That's
butter
butter and snapper.
Yeah.
They gonna pick them up fresh out of the box. Yeah, she's gonna come. She know what she wants. Yeah, she a snapper girl still.
Everything well fresh here at Kobe's, man.
Hey, tell the money you want to fish. No, my one fry, right?
That is it, guys. So, you know when you come here, you get everything well fresh. You know, they catch on a regular basis when you come here, you know. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna link up that Irie and come back, yeah? Alright. So let's go see if that Irie is down there. Blessing, job bless.
Yeah, King man.
All is well. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Passing through. So this is how you do the calabash.
Yeah.
Fresh like this.
Got some.
So you're gonna clear out this and put it to dry.
Oh, we just wash them out properly and put them down and then catch a color, you know.
Catch a color.
Yeah, the green come out and get ground.
Wow. So can this eat? What can you do with this?
Some people use it to make medicine.
Oh, to make medicine. Oh, that's the first I'm really seeing inside the calabash.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's good for medicine, but cannot eat. Calabash dumpling. I will make some calabash dumpling.
Not that way, but medicine.
Medicines. Yeah, man. Alright, then let's continue upon your wonderful work, man.
Yeah, man.
All the best every time. See you guys. All the best. Rastafari. Ever living, ever faithful. You know. Faithful like, come on, Daddy Irie, please be at home, Daddy Irie. Daddy, I'm begging to be at home right now. Sad for me to come again and you're not here. Then I have to go literally and come back again. You know? It's a mission. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with Daddy Irie phone. This minute Daddy Irie phone is good. I know. No, it's not working again at this time. After days, they're not even working. Blessings, yeah. So hopefully it's there, you know, so we can get the job done, you know, get everything up and running. So we can give him this donation, so I don't have to keep coming back over here for the same thing over and over, you know. So this is how we do it. This is general.
Two of them still, you know.
Chop.
Most friend. Yeah, man, cool, man. Go and put him there, but no, man.
Go and freestyle.
Yeah, I come check Daddy, man.
Daddy, man. Oh, Daddy Irie.
Yeah, hopefully he's there.
Indeed, man.
Indeed, man. Alright, everything good though.
Big up yourself.
More love, man, and more straight, man. Alright, then, see there. Every time.
Yeah.
Man, I'm homie, what happened?
You tell me what I go on, man.
What they are give thanks to life.
That me I said too. Me I go and start up myself.
Alright then, I check Daddy, man.
Alright.
And then pass through, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright then, cool.
So do you want to go? Where she there? She there, boy?
No, she not Africa now.
Oh, alright.
So you know you see her up on the block.
That girl you have to respect her, you know that.
Cool, man.
You set the thing for her, make sure you know from Christmas list put her on for you.
Yes.
The thing just set from this.
Yeah, cool, no? I will just represent and show her straight love.
Real love.
Yeah, man. Cool,
love you show her a real love.
I'm glad to show her God, man. Cool, man.
Yeah, Christmas list, man.
Chris.
I take me a cookie as well.
Yeah.
I feel him take me a pan too, man.
Yeah, man, a Christmas list make everything happen, you know? Make everything possible. We can't stop thanking him as well.
Them man are great, yo, man, but them man are below us, poor people in trench town and certain places.
Yeah.
Them man are do enough good thing, you see, that two people now
recognize
see and recognize it, you see. But I need come money that thing tough.
The greatest thing of the Almighty recognize the good work. You know, from Almighty recognize what we're doing.
Yeah, man.
That is it. Kino. Cool, man. We know what thing, man. Correction.
Yeah.
Kino life in Jamaica.
Correction.
That is
great
it.
youth in that thing.
Yes. But that's why I like to use transparency, everything up on camera when we do, you know?
People still are going to say, oh, we never do nothing. Because you not do it for me, but you still do it for somebody else.
Yes. That is true, because true, when I do it for them, they're going to say, oh, no, do nothing for me. I'm going for them.
Yeah, but you do it for somebody else.
Of course.
Then right now, that's the problem now in Jamaica. Jamaican people say they're not feel wagwan. And other people are talking about the economy. And them say they're not feel. That's how we stay. That's how we done. And around the world about right?
True, everywhere.
Everywhere. But some people, they're not listening to radio. They just do them one thing and complain.
That's it. You have to give time.
They want road, they want water, nurse want pay, doctor want pay, everybody want pay. So all government will get it. You have to cut and just like how when you have your budget.
Yeah.
You have to have a budget line out, you know.
Yes.
You can't just get up and take up money, so you know.
No.
You can't go so.
You have to budget out everything.
Yeah, but some we are going like say you can't just come take a 100,000, you want 50, me want 20, the man they want 10.
And you're supposed to get it like that.
I don't say for go.
Sure.
I don't say for go, but that's how we think. Yeah, them get 100%. Look how long government people don't get arrears. A long time they don't get arrears, you know. Long
Them work
time.
here, they say them are all up in country.
Yeah,
And the doctor them.
Most people know that's why I don't talk to some people.
Yeah.
Because some people too political, orange and green. Alright, in the election.
Try it, that's
Hey,
why.
see you're something that boss in a brother.
Cola boss. Yeah, man.
I vote. Jamaican people are different money for vote, you know. They think a joke thing.
No, man.
We want $15,000 can do to me, you know.
So,
How long that can serve me? Can't serve.
Can't serve.
Put in infrastructure that me can benefit.
Yeah.
Give me good road for drive van, bus service, everything. Everything. Put it that me can benefit.
True.
Me all know me can't go do the work. What a lie, me brother.
Right, just there shut talk, black or shut talk, you know?
What a lie.
Right,
Some
just
people
this
are going
one.
like, you can get up every day and go grab people here and go do days work or weekly work. And every day you go do that. And at the end of the day, Tete, some of them don't even pay insurance that if something should have happened to them, they can't know. Say, the insurance money not enough, you know?
No.
It's not enough. I don't know whole heap of insurance.
No.
But at least if you pay like at the end of the fortnight or first and foremost, if you pay insurance, you get a certain amount of money, you know. You get a portion of amount of money, you know, before you start getting the fortnightly, you know. But some people not depend on that. And if them dead, they must say politicians to bury them. And because then the green and then the orange and then the yellow. Well, when me dead, nobody now to bury me.
no charging.
Me a try set up
Back sold
myself
for
to
the
bury
beach,
myself.
dog.
True.
And my people
Go your
dead.
work,
Me,
dog.
not depend. Then when me da get up and work. It's true.
It's true.
I mean, I'm food every day, whether overnight food, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
You still eat it and give thanks, same way. Give thanks. Well said, mommy.
Some
Please
people
try
not
it, man.
think. Some people not think it. They only have to can't go far. Hear them now? They only can't go far.
Back for regular day.
Hard.
They only can't go far. And very. And when them there far, they can't send back $100.
Because over there is more harder.
They can't miss their rent. They have to pay like bill. They have to pay what rent, and if you don't own a car, you have to use the Uber or you go catch a bus.
So you still have to pay anyway.
Anyway, and you can't work IRS.
No.
Alright.
You say you live free. Alright, big up, yeah?
Don't even know.
And don't even know.
And don't even know.
Take care, eh?
Because we don't know ambition.
Yeah. Alright, mommy, thank you for the wisdom. Yes. Yes, guys. So, Daddy Man. Let's go check for Daddy Man. Alright, then. So, you know, when the senior citizens speak of good wisdom sometimes, you know. So, here, hopefully, Daddy Man, he's here. Guys, we pray that he's here today. Pray. Alright, up. Daddy Man. Daddy Irie. Come on, Daddy. Daddy Irie. Daddy Irie. It's a bicycle here. Daddy Irie. Oh, finally. Don't see bicycle in the yard. Daddy Irie. Finally.
We just come from bush.
You just come from bush?
Yeah.
Right on time.
Bicycle punch out and some other patch now.
Right, and I've been calling your phone today. What's going on with your phone again?
I can't the phone there. I'm afraid they lost a bush. You want a banger man.
Oh,
But I can walk with.
damn. So
Yeah.
your bicyclist that area.
Right, I go bush with.
Well, I'd keep you fit, man.
I brush me 74 I know.
Yes. Yeah, riding strong, cause young boy bicycle let me ride, you know.
You know how long we had the bicycle?
Long time.
40 some year me.
What? The bicycle older than me?
Watch ya. Lift, not lift up it. I saw pure lion this, you know.
Heavy.
Make sure I saw all lion this.
It's heavy. Yes. Yeah.
Real lion, can't done.
Can't done this
Me a
one.
deadlift me and if my grandson get him a deadlift with too.
Guys, imagine this bicycle is older than me, you know.
Yes, this bicycle.
So old, it's older than me, and that
It's a-
area is still keeping it
It's a
strong.
first set what you call him,
Bicycle them, the BMX.
BMX.
Yeah, these are the BMX, right?
First one them.
Yes.
A real lion this year.
Mm-hmm.
The other one I'm a paper man.
A paper, right?
They
Yeah,
not
man.
good like them.
I can see it. See, rust on it, see me tough. Them tough iron, yeah. Can't done, look at the handlebar. Cannot done, and that area go on with it strong, see me.
Party of the year, man.
Party at here, man. The bicycle is even older than me. Imagine that. Long time. So that area, well, I was praying, I was hoping I come here to see you.
Yes, man.
Because I got 2 donations you put down for you from all long.
Me here, man.
They be here.
Somebody tell me, Pani.
Of course. Come keep on, I come check you and cannot see you. Them say you're gonna bush. I mean, I said that the area still are doing work. You know? So are you them?
Just come in a little while.
So you go.
I go back, I say I go back, you know, but I say I bother go back. Because my bicycle punch, I had that save me.
So you supply them in the woods?
Yeah, me.
Fire stick.
Me sell a couple, hold on. Me sell a couple little people, man.
Yeah.
So what me don't know. You know them?
And store them.
And store them up in a so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So far you have to go get these.
Them solar panel and teeth off them and all them me get back. When they left back, them couldn't carry the whole of them.
Oh.
7 of them. And got most of them.
Got most of them. So these are the fire stick way. What's the name of these one?
Oh.
What type of wood is that?
It's a thinking piece. Thinking piece them ah.
Oh.
Them have black jet. Black jet.
Mm-hmm.
And then them have some tough wood them.
Tough wood.
Yeah.
But them burn
Sheep
good.
shank them call them ah.
Them burn good though.
Yeah man, them burn like gas stove man.
Oh.
Me not sell foolishness man. Anybody buy wood for me. Fire stick. When they
Yeah.
like you about the wood, you know.
Them say fire stick.
Then time is the firewood.
Yeah.
Then they must turn in one different way. Maybe
say
the
fire
fire
stick,
stick and just
yes.
done with it.
Fire stick and
Yes,
burn.
then they like you about the wood.
No. You know, Jamaica already them skeptic when it come on to talks. So Jamaica will say, yo, no firewood.
Turn in one different way.
Aye, they will say fire stick. You know, Jamaica say no wood, no wood, nothing at all.
No wood and fire stick.
So it's fire stick. So here,
I want one axle for this. I go buy one axle.
oh,
And I go. I go down a patch here now still. I go a road. They come up.
unpatch it. But you still have good tires though. The tires them is really still
Yeah man, a brand new tire. But the one that me also
one
buy
they
one
want
front
change.
wheel one.
Yeah.
But a double tire I put in that. Me just say
Okay, just in
you
case.
can't mack, can't bore so
Can't
easy.
bore so easy. So you have to do the same with that one.
Yeah, me not ready for that one there. When you wear down it come up.
Okay. So here that I got a donation here for you from Sandy.
Sunday.
Yeah, from Staten Island.
Okay.
From New York.
Oh,
$5,000 here from Sandy
yes,
from
Sunday.
Staten
Bless up to
Island.
Sunday and God bless you more.
Mhm.
God will bless you more Sunday.
Yes. I will also have another donation here for you from May. Her
May.
name is May.
Me one cousin named May too, you know.
Yeah?
Yes.
She in the USA?
Bushy Park.
Oh, okay. So this is May from the USA. $3,000 here for you.
Thank
from
you.
May.
God bless you, May.
Mhm.
And you may live long.
Yes.
Inherit more.
That is
Can
it.
help me again.
That is it.
Yes.
So that is for May.
Thank
and
you very
Sunday.
much. And Sunday.
Yes.
God bless you all.
Yeah, man. So thank you so much, May. Thank you so much for blessing Daddy Irie and Sandy as well from Staten Island. We thank you so much for looking out for Daddy Irie. You know, as I said, Daddy Irie just coming from bush. You know, he's a man always trying to put out his best. You know, and guys, you can also check out Daddy Irie YouTube channel as well too. Goes by Daddy Irie. You know, Ela Beach. You know, so I'm gonna put the link as well too.
Rainford Bacchus,
Yeah.
on some of them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, cause the first one where the girl they put out, the Rainford Bacchus. With you? And the Rainford Bacchus.
Okay.
Me say the mother. The favorite one of my baby mother. The mother resemble.
So what you're saying, D is your daughter?
No, me say D.
The mother, I know, look like
resemble me baby mother. Me say next time me have me say me
you have
know
one there for she.
You know what me I do you know?
Mm-hmm.
Me subscribe some of the people them.
Mm-hmm. Subscribe to their channels.
Yes, me I subscribe to most. And enough of them last night I only me subscribe to.
Yes man.
Yes man, put me daddy Irie. Otherwise known as Rainford Bacchus. Me I beg a little help cause see the boat now in China sell one the soil and I sell it 120,000.
Oh, 120,000?
Yes, good engine.
Oh.
But me no have no money for build down man, so we give 50,000 down payment, but me no have the money yet. As soon as me beg, me ask my daughter to send her money for me. So she call me 3 times. So tonight me will call her back to find out what I want.
Yes.
So she died in New York now.
New York. Okay, but, and that would be nice for you to get that boat engine.
Yes, and then
nice.
the boat out there so the virgin say, me want to give my money. I want 50,000 to put in her hand and say, go and
do your thing.
Fix up, cause see material them buy put on in the side.
Yeah.
Board and them something there. If you look at the way there, so you see board them.
You see.
Yeah.
Man, you know, in the will of the Almighty, you know, hopefully that they can get that boat engine, you know, so them say they man charge him 150, 120,000 for the engine, you know. And yes, but if not have all of the money, so the man will accept a down payment, a deposit of $50,000, you know, so hopefully, you know, him can get that, you know, if anyone want to, yes, if anyone want to help him towards it, that will be highly appreciated, same way, you know, so, Daddy Irie, I'm gonna run, you know.
Yeah, man.
Cause like how they pan the beach.
Yeah, remember you see, when you see D again, you know. Tell her to send the Ganzi for me.
Alright. Alright. Pan the beach.
Yes, pan the beach. Yes, on the beach, away me get me steam fish. Out to sea away me catch me fish to see. Girl away me love her with the collar and jean. Pan the land, say me fishing pan the sea. Nothing in this world impossible to me. Fly like a butterfly, we sting like a bee. Yes,
that is that.
So me bless, God bless everyone. I wanna where I try to help me, you know. I know no love me, cause no tell me say no love me still.
Of course.
Yes. Enough people, me I do a little church something, but me nah get nothing from the church sitting. But people like some of them still. But yeah, we got 700 and odd
subscribers. See, it's working, man. There's
I make it 1 and 2, 1K, 1K for the view.
So it's working.
Yeah.
Just give thanks. You know, things take time. I have faith. Our faith is patience, so have patience, right? Yes guys, so give thanks, I thank you so much, you know. Remember to give the video a like, give the video a thumbs up whenever you're watching. So if you reach this far, you have put the thumbs up, remember to go back and put the thumbs up, you know. So we're here at Hellshire Beach and I'm going to head back to Trenchtown, you know, to continue this journey and the charity work, same way. So that area was my first stop, you know, so I make sure I come the furthest to go back to Trenchtown to continue the journey. Alright, so Daddy Irie.
Hey, you know meet my girlfriend over here, so. My little girl there, know.
Crab ya? Video like crab ya there. Whoa, sea crab.
Yeah,
King crab.
King crab.
King crab there, man.
I like crab pan front.
Oh.
Crab pan front.
Crab pan front.
Crab pan front.
I think I'll be in the crab ya pan a while ago, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm virgin this year.
Yeah, I see you, man.
Yeah, man.
Big up fire. Alright then. blessed love. So I'm on my way to Trenchtown now. You know, I just left Daddy Irie. You know, as you can see, you know, finally we get a chance to see him. You know, as you can hear him saying, just coming back from the bush where he normally go. You know what's going on here. Police in the middle of the road doing their regular checks as usual. Doing the checks but laughing with each other. So here they are doing their checks same way as usual. Yes guys, so yeah man, so heading into Trenchtown now to give us some donations. You know the thing goes in the workouts have to continue. You know, I want to thank all our extended families. I want to thank all our new subscribers. You know, welcome to the program. You know, thank each and everyone that put the thumbs up as well to while watching. You know, thank you also the viewers them who is watching and forgot to put the thumbs up. You know, and remember guys, but also have to subscribe. You know, you cannot only be watching and you're not subscribe. You need to subscribe. It's free to subscribe. It's no charge for you to subscribe because it's showing a geography that 63% of the viewers and that's watching haven't subscribed. You know, so how bad can that be? 63% of the people and that's watching haven't subscribed. Why is that? I don't know, but hopefully you will get it one day and start to subscribe. So remember guys, come on, hit that subscription, send the subscribe up, subscribe, because it says 63% of the viewers them that's watching haven't subscribed, right? So the next 33 already subscribed and it's only 67 haven't subscribed. I don't know why, but guys, if you kindly can just hit the subscribe button. You know, it's not costing you anything, because boop and press it, you know, if you want to see the program grow. So you're the one that's stopping it right now from not reaching, you know, its higher heights. Subscribe. You know, it's not costing you anything. God Almighty knows it's not costing nothing at all more than touching that. It's not gonna make you lose a sleep, nothing at all. Just hit that subscribe button guys. I will thank each and everyone same way for watching Keen Life in Jamaica. You know, it's been a blessing. So now I'm here on Spanish Town Road headed into Trenchtown. As you can see, Spanish Town Road here, you know, heading into Trenchtown. And you know, to my left over here you got Rosetown, you know, which is also a part of Trenchtown. Over here you have St. Andrew Technical as well to the school. Some might know it as Stats, you know, some know it as Stats growing up, you know, but it's called St. Andrew Technical. And over here is where you got the prison as well too. Over here is the prison heading on towards the Maypet Cemetery. And yes guys, there's gonna be a new gas station, you know, right here in Spanish Town Road outside of Trenchtown. As you can see, that green building there that you're looking at right there, that's it's gonna call Petroleum. That's it right there. It's gonna call, no sorry, it's gonna call Regency. Yeah, Regency Petroleum right over here. You know, that's a new gas station that's gonna be outside of Trenchtown here. So that's a good look for the community. You know, whosoever is doing that, we thank you so much, you know, for making Trenchtown looking good for the future. You know, more development. So here I'm turning up Cali Smith. So it's Cali Smith Drive, the great Cali Smith, you know, the Trenchtown West Indian cricketer, you know. You know, the new artwork that's done here on the wall, wonderful, of Trenchtown. Trenchtown rock, you can't watch that. Yes guys, remember please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, you know, send the love over. I need to stop and get my spirulina strong back first, so let's stop right here where you can get my strong back spirulina. It's good to drink. So let me get my spirulina quickly, fast, quick and fast. Taylor man there. Yes guys, so I'm here in Trenchtown. So just touched down. Like when the plane touched down, so I'm here in Trenchtown. So we see the tailor man down there at work. You know, got a donation for the tailor man. Remember the last time he was doing some work here and I was saying to him that he need to put up some black and everything, and he was saying that, you know, for the future he would love to do that. You know, and I'm always want to ask for help, but oh, go on.
What's up? Everything good?
All is well.
Yeah, man. Is it?
So you are putting some work.
Yeah, man. Cause the urgent thing she need, you know, cause I didn't finish that so yet, but the urgent thing she need.
Okay, so yeah. Oh, so you do look work for her. See. Oh, so this is how we are for somebody else as well?
Yeah, man. This is my place still, you know, where me live, you know. So
Oh, you live in here as well?
Yeah, me straight cross.
Okay, okay.
I live in here, so.
Oh, okay, okay. See, I get a little style.
Yeah, me just the cabin as him say, him not like do the concrete business, the wall thing. So him say this a temporary, but me just feel like we just do it.
Yeah.
So him a say no matter height, no, him just a temporary for us.
Like how we just say, it is a good for the future. We put up black.
Yeah, that him say, that him
you know?
black him up put up.
Yeah, so I like that. So it start at least, you know, we know say, yo, once him start black up, more people can start to black up.
You know, you saw my part shabby.
Yeah.
Well, after a while, it was different. I will black it up and set him up better still. But you know, I just
so in your way do your tailoring?
Yeah, certain collaterals not dead there. You see him, so I just go on easy until it come. I'm not set it up. No, I'll fix it up now.
But that truck you pass, so your truck you pass. Trailer. So me the truck there. Yeah man, cause last time I made a video and at that they say, I say they want a little strength, but true you see me and do the work already, you never really too pressure me or anything on that. I know and really understand that.
Yeah, for real.
And for you saying that, you know, two person watch the video and hear when you said that, and this time you said I'm gonna bless you with something, see me.
Alright,
without you asking. Imagine
without
that.
me asking, give thanks,
Imagine,
thanks,
you know.
give
See there, so I have two donations here for you.
Yeah.
So I have $7,000
Yeah.
from Irie. Take that to them out. Yeah. So you have 7,000 here for you from Irie from Canada. So when you count it and tell her thanks, said 7.
Yes. Okay.
Irie from Canada.
Okay, thank you, Miss Audrey. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, because I really need it. Thank you.
Yes. They say, oh, it happened just like that. I have another donation as well for you. You know, from Empress Sandra.
Okay.
This is from Empress Sandra from Brooklyn, New York. $10,000. She said I must give to you as well too.
Okay, thanks. Thank you, Empress Sandra. Thank you, Empress. I'm so thankful. Well, I hope things just level for all of us, because as what me did I say, this young man we see him go through and him help whosoever need the help, and me just like the flex, me just like it, cause him young, you know, and him could do different things, so at this him a do. So me like it, whether it reach me or not, me don't go on with reach who it for reach.
Yes.
So give thanks, sis.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks to Empress Sandra. Thank you so much, and Irie as well too from Canada. Yeah, man. Thank you for blessing Dale himself.
Yeah,
you know.
Right.
Just go on to the work, see me there. Yeah, General.
Respect.
Alright, then.
Big
cool.
respect.
Yeah, man. Yes, guys. So what we're gonna do now? We're gonna check out some material as well to know for the wow chef. You know, we'll check out my hardware, where we can get some material sorted out now for the wow chef, so we can start his work as well to, you know, to get everything on the road. What's up? Come here. Come here. Come now, we are cuss for. Come. What are you cussing? Come. Hush. No cussing. Come. I'm cussing. How is Esther gone?
So I got a red mango tree.
Oh, it's mango, nice. Yes, so infrastructure set up here. Running water from somewhere. Dana place. Esther, you always read the people them mango tree. You really a mango you think gone up in there? See. Guys, you see Esther always read the people them mango tree. You know? Esther raiding the mango tree. Yes, guys, so we're going to head to the hardware now, you know, and get some material sorted out, you know, for the whole chef, so we can start on his project building him a bathroom and a toilet. Because you know, in Churchtown, the rooms them that are here, they never built with any bathroom or any toilet here, you know. So we're gonna just like help out the members them with give them a bathroom and a toilet, so at least they don't have to come out them house to go all the way behind the house, you know, the back of the yard, to go and use bathroom or toilet, because you know they have to share with each other that live on the same block. Yeah, good day, good day, good day, good day, good day. Blessed love. Blessed love. Right, how is everything?
Everything alright.
You go take a checkup and thing?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah? Get medication and thing? What go on? The 19.
Yeah, when she got it, I doctor then gave her 1 day, June, July.
Oh, go back. But everything has to start out with a medication.
Yeah, and there's something I really to check out. Not okay with it, the
MRI.
Yeah, and they go check it out, things are 60,000.
Oh, for the MRI scan? I thought for what, back?
Yeah, they must have around one machine and scan our whole body.
The whole body? So you feel now? How the bed feel? How the bed feel? You sleeping better?
No.
Feel better? That's good, that's good. That is good. But remember donation here for you. You know. Remember donation here for you, Miss Irie. What's that? What go on? Sinus. I forgot minus. Whoa. Come through, wow.
The next machine in there, Rex?
Yeah.
Next machine in there?
No, I'm still watching them to put the machine. The next one in there.
Alright.
Next one can go across the road this morning.
Alright, whoa, come right here.
The next one in there.
Sit down so I'm putting this for your mother. I got $10,000 here for you. From Bones. And this is from Bones from the UK. 10,000.
Bones from the UK. Thank you very much. Yeah, man, let me talk fair, you know. Let me talk fair, man. Thank you very much.
Bones. Bones. Show and talk, wow. Yes, so that is from Bones from the UK. Alright. So I got another one here for you. You give me one to drop a while ago? Whoa. So we have $9,000 here from Global from Philadelphia. So this is 9,000.
9,000 are from Global, from Philadelphia. Enough bless the Holy Fire. Thanks very much. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Thank you and bless you. God bless you.
Alright, so we give thanks to Global from Philadelphia. Thank you so much. Your door lock, it fix? The lock on the door, wow, it fix?
Around it?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah.
You have to fix it, but in that country yourself.
Oh.
So not coming.
Okay.
Damn, I'm looking brother, I'm have a thing for the little about you black him never come in here.
In that country yourself, so I'm not there.
Oh.
When I come? Sunday? Weekend? Yeah, if you come weekend too.
Tonight, no. Sunday, I come. Sunday. Tonight. No, Sunday.
Tonight, I come, man.
Yeah. Sunday, I come.
Sunday. Okay. Alright then. So you get bed sheets for your mattress?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Bed sheets. Alright, so the person you are saying $19,000. So then they want you to fix the door lock. So they must send the money to help to fix the door lock and to get bed sheets as well too.
Yeah.
Alright, so this person don't want no name to call, but just yes. So just from someone that cares. Right? So this is $19,000 from someone that cares. So count this. Wow. 19,000 from someone that cares.
Yeah, man. I'm someone that cares, you know. Thank you very much, you know. God bless. Yeah. So, you know.
Thank you very
much.
much.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So she can use it and put it on the thing and buy the supplement and do it.
Alright, so we give thanks. So that is the donation from Miss Valerie, you know. So when I turn the donate, we donate towards Miss Valerie, you know. Let me wipe up the camera a bit today. So we'll thank you so much, right? Yeah, man. So we'll thank you so much for helping out Miss Valerie, which is the Wow Chef mom, you know. So Wow Chef, I also have 2 donations as well for you to help out with your project, as well to help buy material and such. You know, so you know, so as I say,
me buy the way now, the slam lock. Yeah, buy it for Irie. Yeah.
Alright then. So you know, this is your project we're gonna start on now. So you know, so any donation that we get now is to help out with material and such. You know, so we have $10,000 a year from Empress Sandra from Wow Chef Place, Brooklyn, New York. Yes, so it's 10,000 here.
You know? Yeah, man.
From Empress Sandra.
Empress Sandra, only for blessing, you know, no flow. So you can start, you know, so only for pushing out the coin, you know, only. So, no flow, you know, only for love and blessing, you know.
Alright, and we also have 14,000 as well from Dan from California. Yes, 14,000 from Dan from California. So here's it, count it.
14,000 from Dan from California. Yeah, 14,000 from Dan from California. Only for blessing, no love, you know. I start the project now, so I'm going to see it, man. You see me? So, no blessing, only for love, you know. Thank you very much, yeah.
Yes. Yes, man. So, guys, so I want to thank you so much for helping out, you know, Miss Valerie, you know, as well too, because she want to thank you so much. Because of her stroke, she cannot speak clearly. You know, I know we're going to start to work on the Wow Chef Place, you know, we're going to build him a bathroom and I tired it, you know, and then we're going to start out his kitchen and his flooring, you know, and just send him on the road, because, you know, it's been a while, he's been waiting and things, so it's about that time now to start another project to help him out quick and fast. So, as I said, we're going to try and help out the members, them, you know, one step at a time, you know, one member at a time. So this is how we're going to do it, because, you know, as we said, these houses that used to be built here in Trenchtown, they never built in the bathroom and toilet. They all have to share the same at the back of the yard. So we're trying to give them something that they can step out them bedroom and go straight into the bathroom whenever they need it, anytime in the night. Right? So, so wow.
Yeah, man.
So
only for blessing, enough love, you know. Just start the project now, so blessed man, you know.
Alright then, so we're going to head back over. Alright, yeah, Miss Val.
So,
alright. Yeah, alright, yes. Yeah.
Zan, I'm soul in, man. I'm soul, yeah. Well,
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.